So students, next topic is the application of linear equation. Application of real equation. Okay. So before we start, okay, I'd like to give you some guidelines of how to approach every question of application of linear equation. So the step number one will be you have to read the problem properly, not properly, read carefully. Okay. Step number two is any unknown value is given to you, na, unknown value or quantity, that you have to unknown value you have to denote it by x. Okay. Next, step number three, you might be given some relation over there, some logic might be there. Using that, you need to construct a linear equation in terms of x. Okay. Step number 4, you have to solve the constructed linear equation to get the value of x. Okay. Suppose a question is given to you, the sum of three consecutive means one by one. Suppose one is there, so next three consecutive numbers from 1 are 2 3 4, from 5 are 6 7 8, from 90 are 91 92 93. Means suppose if someone is asking that write three consecutive numbers from 90, you will write 90 so you will not write 90, because 90 is from 90 means 91 92 93. Okay. So question is sum of three consecutive odd natural numbers is 249. You need to find the numbers. That's it. Okay. So we will be going according to the guideline. Okay. So read the question carefully, right? Next, you have to denote the unknown quantity by x. What is the unknown quantity? Find a number. So let the number be x. Okay. And what is the next question? Construct a linear equation in terms of x by reading the logic, right? Okay. So what is the question over here? That find the sum of three consecutive odd natural numbers, right? Okay. So let the number be x. Okay. So three consecutive odd numbers are, so the first number is x, right now, because they are asking find the numbers. So from that the first number is x, comma, what is the second odd number? Three consecutive odd natural numbers. Suppose 1. So what is the next odd natural number from it? 1 plus 2, right? 3. From 3, again 3 plus 2. So whatever the value is there, with that, because x is also an odd natural number, so from x again plus 2 will do x plus 2, right? And from x again x plus 4. I can explain it to you. Suppose this is 1, so 1 plus 2 will give you 3, and 1 plus 4 will give you 5. So we got 1, 3 and 5. Understood? Okay, so sum of 3 consecutive odd natural number is equal to 249, right? What are the consecutive odd natural number? X, x plus 2 and x plus 4. X plus, and then they're asking sum, right? So x plus 2 plus x plus 4 is equal to 249. Which implies, again, now add the x, count the x, x plus x is 2x plus x is 3x plus 2 plus 4 is 6 is equal to 249, which implies that again transposition of 6, right? Because I want all the constants on that side. So 3x is equal to 249 minus 6, which implies that 249 minus 6 is 243. So 3x is equal to 243, which implies x is equal to, again this is in the form of ax is equal to b. So what will happen? X is equal to ax is equal to b. So x is equal to b by a, right? X equal to b by a. X equal to b. What is b? 243. What is a? 3. So 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3. The value is 81. Your value of x is 81. But what are they asking? They're asking to find the numbers and not only the numbers. So they want all the three numbers. This is one very common mistake which students do. They will just calculate one value and they will leave. Whereas they are asking, you are being asked three consecutive odd numbers. So 3 consecutive odd natural numbers are x, x plus 2 and x plus 4. What is the value of x? You got 81. X plus 2 is 81 plus 2, 83. And x plus 4 is 81 plus 4 is 85. So now you got the answer. 81, 83 and 81, 83 and 85. So this is the answer. This portion is the answer. Okay. Students, this is a very important kind of question. Okay. And your question says that a number consists of 2 digits. So there is some number which is consisting of 2 digits like 86, 36, 11, 13, 14. Okay. 2 digits. Next, the digit in tens place, the digit in tens place exceeds the digit in units place by 2. The difference of the digits is 1 by 32 of the number. You need to find the number. What is the number? So according to the guideline, we need to read this question first. So a number is there which consists of two digits, right? The digits in tens place exceeds the digit in units place. Exceeds means greater than. Okay, exceeds the digit in units place by 2. So whatever the tens place digit is there, that digit exceeds the digit in the units place by 2, means whatever this tens digit is there, it is greater than 2 by the units digit. If tens digit is if units digit is 10, so the tens digit will be 10 plus 2, okay, 12. If units digit is 1, tens digit will be 2 plus 1, which is 3. Okay, so let's just start the question. That here we have read the question properly. Now what will be denoted at x as x? Which quantity should be taken as x? So you see here that the value of tens place is dependent on the units place, because if units place is 1, then the value of the tens place will be 3. If units place value is 0, okay, then the tens place value will be 0 plus 2, which is 2. Okay, so here let the unit digit be x. So if your unit digit is x, so what is your tens digit? So tens digit is that the digit in tens place exceeds the digit in units place by 2. So units place digit is x. So what is the value of tens digit? X plus 2. Exceeds means greater than. Okay, so tens digit is x plus 2 and the unit digit is x. Okay, so now here they told about a number. That what is that number? That number is there of 2 digits. So any number of 2 digits can be expressed as number is equal to 10 into digit at tens place plus normally digit at units place. Okay, so the number is 10 into digit at tens place and plus digit at units place. So what is that number? That we need to know, right? So now this is equal to, what is a digit at tens place? This is the digit, am I correct? X plus 2 plus that unit digit is x. This is equal to, so we don't actually need to do this, because they are saying they have given, what is the main problem they have given? The digit in units place by 2, the difference of the digits is 1 by 32 of the number. So what is the difference of the digit? What will be the difference of the digit? Tens digit minus unit digit. What is the value of tens digit? Tens digit is x plus 2, right? So tens digit, the difference of the digits is 1 by 32 of the number. So which implies that tens digit is x plus 2 minus, what is the unit digit? Is x. we need to solve it into by a different process. Okay, so directly I'll continue from here. We now know that what is that number, 10 into x plus 2 plus x, right, which is equal to 10x plus 20 plus x, which is equal to 10x plus x is 11x plus 20. So this is actually your number, and if I just need to get the value of x, that from where it is coming. Okay, so for that we need to find the difference of the digits. Okay, so in the question only it has been said that the difference of the digits is 1 by 32 of the number, right? So okay, so difference is equal to 1 by 32 of the number. Difference of what? Difference of digits. So that is 1 by 32 of the number. So what is the difference of digits? Difference of digit is 2, because it is actually said that the tens digit exceeds the unit digit by 2. So that means the difference is 2 only, right? So difference is equal to 2 is equal to 1 by 32 into 11x by 11x plus 20. Okay, now I need some very small cross multiplication. This 32 is there now, will go up. 2 into 32 is equal to 11x plus 20. 2 into 32 is 64, is equal to 11x plus 20, which implies that now again the same thing is happening, right? All the constants on the other side means mixed up, so the constant has to go on the left hand side, right? So plus 11x is there, so this becomes minus 11x is equal to 20, and this 64 will go on that side, 20 minus 64, which implies that minus 11x is equal to 20 minus 64 is minus 24. So gone, negative is done. Okay, so now I just need to know the value. X is equal to 24 by 11. X is equal to 24 by 11. Students, again there is a small mistake. 20 minus 64 is 44 and not 24. So this is 44 and this is 11 now. So 11 4s. So the value of x is 4. The value of x here I got as 4. And x is your unit digit. So what is your tens digit? X plus 2 means 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Answer.